Today's home is my newest listing, one of my favorite communities here in Winter Garden. This home could be your first starter home or it could be your second home. Stay tuned to find out all the great details. It's Amy with Heart and Home Orlando, and take a look at my newest listing. This is one of the most desirable communities here in Winter Garden, Florida, and bonus, there's actually a lot of bonuses with this house. The first bonus is that you are directly across diagonally from the amenity center, the community pool, the playground, the barbecue area, the green space. Additionally, you also have a huge side yard. Being here on a corner lot always provides you additional space and only one neighbor. So this home was built in 2018, and I absolutely love the exterior elevation. This is their modern elevation, and you can take a look by the exterior is beautiful. The stonework on the columns and the beautiful front porch. Really, really beautiful. So this home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, little over 2,000 square feet, almost 2,100 square feet actually, 2,082 square feet. This is their Whitman 2 floor plan, and let me tell you, this home is gorgeous. Barely lived in, used primarily as a vacation or a second home. This home is just almost new. So take a look at this floor plan, take a look at the design options, and you know what? Take a look at the furniture and stay tuned to the end of the video so we can talk about that. This home is beautiful. The modern railing that they have here up the stairs is a really expensive upgrade. I know, because I've seen many clients purchase this and then they look at the pricing and then they're like, oh my goodness, but here it is in this home. Perfect with that exterior modern elevation as well. So if you take a look at the home itself, the first floor is going to give you your entryway. You have this slider out here behind me. This slider door takes you out to your covered front porch. Really beautiful. Remember, it's Florida, so we're always going to enjoy that outdoor space, whether it's a quick little porch nook area here in the front, or whether it's walking along the side, or if it's taking a walk in the backyard. Either way, you're going to enjoy the fact that you have a front porch. So here is your family room space, your main living space, the main hub of the home, we call it. I love the way they actually have this. Looks like a model home, actually. But if you take a look at the way they have the furniture and the sectional and the TV, it's kind of a great layout. It really kind of makes this a nice intimate area. And of course, you've still got your entryway and your little organizational zone as well. So a nice wide entrance for you as soon as you come in, with a nice closet as soon as you come in, and then you get to the fun spot. Okay, this kitchen is absolutely beautiful. So you have the white quartz countertops with those speckles, like with the little piece of sparkling glass in it. And you know what? It plays off of like the silver metallic, really cool kind of industrial pendant lights that they have. With the flat cooktop, you've got the hood, and you have the gourmet kitchen option. All appliances are also included in this home, by the way. Washer, dryer, refrigerator, also the blinds. And remember, stay tuned to the end of the video so we can tell you what else is included in this home. So we also want to take a look at the flooring. So this is a beautiful plank upgraded flooring that is extended all throughout this first floor area. So from your front foyer entryway all the way to your family room, to your kitchen, and then right over here to your dining area as well. So this informal dining area, again, this floor plan is so good. It is so open, and that the space over here is defined as your dining area. These 2 big, beautiful windows looking out so you can really see that green space right here on the corner lot. Remember, corner lot means you only have one neighbor, right? And you have all that space beside you. So the kitchen, you have the darker cabinets. I love these cabinets. They're super sleek. So I want you to take a look at them because you'll notice that they're smooth. They don't have your typical like shaker and other types of style cabinets that you have. Completely in line design-wise with this really cool modern look, modern vibe here in this home. So back over here, you actually have a drop zone and you have your powder bath. So as soon as you come back here through your 2-car rear entry garage, you're gonna come right here. You have your drop zone, great spot just to drop the purse, the wallet, the car keys, the phone, whatever you might need. And then over here you have your powder bath, which has your pedestal sink and your oval mirror. All right, so downstairs again, by the way, backsplash, I missed it. Let's talk about the backsplash because again, everything in this home is so perfectly coordinated. Your cabinets, the white quartz countertops, the brushed nickel hardware, the sterling appliances or the stainless steel appliances, the hood, and again, those pendant lights really are just the perfect finishing touch. So as we go upstairs, you know, the other thing that this particular floor plan has, other than this grand staircase, is a huge loft area. So in this home, now think about it, we are in a community called Watermark in the heart of Winter Garden, Florida. We are just like one exit down from Disney. And it almost feels like you have Disney across the street from you when you take a look at the amenities that this community has to offer. So this particular location, the way this home is located is on the corner, again, right across from you, you see that green space. You know, we were out here one day and there was a family flying kites. Another week, there was a family having picnics. Over to the side, you also see a children's playground. You can also see that behind that, there's like a barbecue area. And then of course, the magnificent kind of the club center, your fitness center, the rooms that you can rent out if you have functions that you want to use that space to celebrate. And of course, the big pool, fitness center, even an observation for the Disney fireworks. All right, so upstairs we are here in the loft area. One of the things that you don't often get in certain style homes with the rear entry style homes is that extra bonus space. And here you have it. So you have an extra game room. So if you're thinking maybe I want a home like a second home, a vacation home, but I still need kind of like that fun zone, you've got it right here in this particular home. The carpet, by the way, is a really beautiful gray. It's like a steel gray. Again, perfectly coordinated with all of the rest of the modern touches and details here in this home. So down this hallway, you're gonna have 2 guest bedrooms and you're gonna have a full bath. So let's do this bedroom first. So bedrooms over here are nice size. You can tell by the furniture in here. You've got plenty of room. Also take a look at the upgraded baseboards. You have the taller baseboards, which is really nice. You have a nice closet as well. So closet wise, you have like a mini walk-in closet. It's definitely walk-in. You can walk in. It's not one of those shallow ones. It's actually pretty deep. So you have lots of space in there. And then directly across the hall, you'll see that you have your guest bath, which has 2 sinks. You have your cabinets. And again, take a look at the flooring because here, this is a different flooring. This is a larger 12 by 24 ceramic tile that's in gray. Beautiful. Again, perfectly complements everything else that we've seen so far in this home. Back over here in this direction, you're going to have your second bedroom. So remember, it's a 3-bedroom home. This is going to be bedroom number 2. And by the way, I absolutely love the design in here. This totally looks like a model home. You've got a nice big full-size, or yeah, it's a really nice big bed. You've got some. Actually, I have a Westie, so that I should get that one free because that one looks like my doggy at home. Anyway, this is a cute bedroom. Love the way they have that. Plenty of room for anything you need. So over here, you're going to have your laundry room. What's really nice is that the appliances are included. So you have the washer and dryer. You've even got a little nook section over there where if you want to create some additional shelving, you can certainly do that. Now, one of my favorite things about this Whitman floor plan is this right here. I love that you have a really nice double door entry, French door into the master bedroom. So it's nice as well as you have 2 closets. So you have 1 closet over here, a huge master bedroom. And if you take a look at this particular master bedroom, first of all, again, their personal design touches are completely in line with the whole overall aesthetic of this home. But they have the tray ceiling and there's 4 additional recessed lights up here. Those are 2 options and upgrades that they've already added here into this home. So not only do you have this beautiful space, but you've got another set of double doors here that's going to take you into the master bathroom. So the master bathroom is going to offer you your double sink, same quartz counter, same cabinets that we had in the kitchen, a nice big oversized shower, privacy door for your toilet. You have a linen closet over here, and then you have an additional closet. So you do truly have a separate his and her closets here in this particular home. So remember, this home we are in right now is the newest listing here in Watermark, which is a Meritage Homes community. This is not a model home, but you know what? It's only a couple years old, built in 2018. Again, home primarily used as a vacation home or as a second home, which might be something that you're considering. So while we're on that subject, let's talk about all this furniture. How would you like to have a home that is completely ready for you to move into? You don't have to buy a bed. You don't have to buy the washer and dryer. You don't have to buy a sofa to sit on or a stool to sit up at the island with when you eat your first meal here. This home actually has the opportunity for you to have the furniture included. So if that is piquing your interest, then please give me a call at 407-848-8042. If you don't want the furniture, that's okay. Still call me, 407-848-8042. but this is absolutely a spectacular option and an opportunity for you here in this area. It's going to go fast. I hope you love it as much as I do. Don't forget to call and have a great day. Happy house hunting.